This footage was taken right after the sunset in the wild, where there is no light at all except for a very little. Look at the quality of the 4K image. No annoyance, no grains in the picture, nothing. And here we have a very little, very weak light source, and still the image quality is awesome. Here, the only light is the firelight. You can see the top quality of the picture. This is an invoice from this Jerry bookstore. All right, local store here. It's 2,999 reals. Okay. And this actually invoice is considered as a guarantee also. You know what I'm saying? It's a warranty. The guys, he told me everything here. He asked me to read all this information, but I have no time to read that. Okay, guys, so I have to keep this also with me. Okay, now let's go ahead for the iPhone. The first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to cut from here. Okay, by cutting this one. Right, I have to. All right, let's attach it here. Oh, okay, so from here also. Okay, and here we are, guys. The iPhone mini. All right. Nothing in here. Good, very good cover. Well, the size is a little bit small. Well, compared to the iPhone XR and iPhone 11. It's a little bit smaller, guys. Okay. So this is the iPhone. What is inside? Inside is the wire and or the information, and also the clip with the SM ports. Okay. All right. The first thing we're going to do now is to charge it fully. Then we come back to review it completely. Let's go ahead for that. Okay, my friends, and here we are. It is already charged fully. All right, and the battery is full, as you can see. Now the next thing to do is I'm going to set it up, and if it's going to ask me for a quick transfer of information, if I have an Apple device like a previous iPhone or something, provided that the previous Apple device should be having iOS 11 or more, because that's actually function is found in the iPhone and the iOS 11 and the iOS 11 and above. Before that, it will not transfer the information, and the transfer function here is actually nice and robust. It will transfer from any Apple I device or even an Android device. Also, you can set up everything manually. I'm not going to go with setup because this is another thing to do. I'm going to set it up actually and transfer the information from my previous iPhone 11 to this iPhone off the camera. And I will save the rest of the video for full review of this device to give you an indication whether it is worthy. Is it worth buying on 2022 or not? That's it. So I'm going now to transfer the information to this device. Number two, I'm going to take this IM card. Okay, and I will put it here. I think it is here. As you may see, yes, it is here. Okay, it is here. I'm sorry the light is low, but then after that, I'm going to try to test its functions, the camera, everything, the LED functionalities, the LED specifications, everything, and we will have that actually one by one on the rest of this video, right? Let's go ahead for the next step. Okay guys, so here we are with all information from the previous iPhone 11 transferred to this iPhone mini, iPhone 13 mini. Okay, all right, I don't know from where this dust is coming. Anyway, see guys how much it's small. Is very tiny actually, but I don't mind the size. So let's go now for a complete review of necessary functions that are found in this device. Okay.